This is my beauty kit, and it's for end stage veganism, because after being vegan trying to be vegan for 3 years, I have noticed that my eyelashes have got thinner and thinner, and now there's hardly any eyelashes left. So I was very excited to discover magnetic eyelashes, and it says 3-second lash, and I'm very excited to try these. I actually got these ones on sale. At the warehouse, but I've been so sick of gluing on eyelashes, and they end up being stuck to my head. So I'm really excited to see how these go. I haven't tried them yet, but if you're going to be vegan, look forward to losing your eyelashes and having nothing left. But this is like my beauty kit for end stage vegans. And the other thing that you will need is stick-on nails, or you can go and get your nails, fake ones, put on, because your nails will get brittle. They will go brittle and break easily as a vegan. So end stage vegan beauty kit, you'll probably want to invest in some fake nails. And I've chosen gold there. These are just like stick-on ones, so I can't wait to try that. And the other thing that you will need in your beauty kit, end stage vegan beauty kit, is some wigs, some hair extensions, and this is what I've got, because your hair will get thinner even if you bleach it. I bleach it, but if you are vegan and end stage vegan, your hair will start to fall out, so you're going to need a hair extension, just like that, hair extension. Give this one a good brush.